In today's video, I'm going to teach you Introduction. We're building a modular website AI chatbot in n8n that routes each user request to the right specialized subagent. Instead of one overloaded model doing everything, you'll see how a central manager, a chat model, short-term memory, and a few focused tools work together cleanly and reliably. Even if you're brand new to n8n, this will be easy to follow. We begin with the Chat Trigger node, the front door of your chatbot. It listens for messages from your website's chat widget and kicks off the workflow the moment a visitor types. Without this trigger, nothing else runs, so think of it as the event that captures each message and hands it to the rest of the system. Next comes the Manager agent, an AI agent node that makes decisions but does not answer questions itself. Its entire job is to read the user's message and route it to the correct tool. Is the request a quick FAQ, a booking, or something that needs a human? The manager chooses the right path and delegates, keeping the system organized and scalable. To reason about language, the manager relies on the chat model. This model reads the user's message, your system instructions, and any recent memory, then helps the manager decide which tool to call. It's the intelligence engine behind your chatbot. To keep conversations natural, we add a simple memory node. It remembers the last few messages so the chatbot understands context, avoids repeating itself, and can handle follow-ups like, "That time works," because it knows what that time refers to. For FAQs, the RAG agent acts as your knowledge tool. When a user asks about your company, services, or policies, the manager forwards the question here. This tool searches your documentation and returns an accurate answer. No tool call means no answer, which prevents guesswork. For scheduling, the calendar agent checks availability and books meetings. The manager gathers needed details, asks the calendar to confirm slots, and either books or suggests alternatives to prevent double bookings. When a human is needed, the ticket agent takes over. If the FAQ can't find an answer, the user requests help, or the task can't be completed automatically. The manager collects contact details and an issue description, then creates a support ticket so nothing gets lost. All of these connect in a simple loop: trigger, manager, chat model, memory, and the right tool, which returns the final response. Use a sticky note node to document what the workflow does, how routing works, what each subagent handles, and setup notes. Future you will thank you. This architecture is powerful because it keeps prompts small, reduces token load, and lets you plug in new tools later, like CRM integrations, analytics, or lead qualification. In summary, you now have a clean, scalable, production-ready pattern for a professional modular AI chatbot in n8n.